Today we're addressing a very serious and sensitive topic: how to tackle revenge porn and provide support for victims. Revenge porn can be incredibly traumatic, but there are steps you can take to protect yourself and seek support. If you're a victim of revenge porn, it's important to know that you're not alone and that there are resources available to help you. Here are the steps you can take to address the situation. Your immediate safety and well-being are the top priority. Reach out to trusted friends or family members for support. Consider seeking professional counseling to help you navigate the emotional impact of the situation. Emotional support is crucial during this time, so don't hesitate to ask for help. Document the existence of the revenge porn. Take screenshots, save URLs, and note the date and time the content was posted. This evidence will be important if you decide to take legal action. Keep all evidence organized and secure. Report the content to the platform where it was posted. Most social media sites and websites have policies against revenge porn and will remove the content if reported. Follow the platform's instructions to file a report and request the removal of the content. You can file a Digital Millennium Copyright Act (DMCA) takedown notice to have the content removed. This request compels the platform to take down your copyrighted material. Include your contact information, a description of the original work, the location of the infringing material, and a statement of good faith belief that the use is unauthorized. Revenge porn is illegal in many jurisdictions. Contact your local law enforcement agency to report the crime. Provide them with the evidence you've collected. Consider using professional services like leak content removal. We specialize in quickly removing unauthorized content from the internet and protecting your digital rights. Our team can help you monitor, identify, and remove non-consensual intimate content efficiently. Taking care of your mental and emotional health is crucial. Engage in activities that help you relax and unwind. Practice self-care and give yourself time to heal. Dealing with revenge porn is incredibly difficult, but remember that you have options and support available. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. And if you need professional assistance, visit our website at leakcontentremoval.com today. Our team is here to help you protect your rights and manage your online reputation. Until next time, stay strong and know that you are not alone.